Our quest for noodles began in Bangkok's vibrant Chinatown, where we roamed bustling streets, mesmerized by stunning architecture, and looked forward to exploring historic sites and enchanting places. As we roamed the vibrant streets, we discovered an ornate entrance. After ascending the staircase and removing our shoes, we stepped into a brilliantly lit room, even more exquisitely adorned. What we entered was the Li Ti Miao Shrine, a revered Taoist temple built around 1902 at the end of the Qing dynasty. Known as the Temple of Healing, it historically provided medicine to Chinese, Indian, and Thai communities for a small donation. Reconstructed after a devastating fire in 1988, the shrine features a striking roof adorned with two dragons playing with a pearl, a common motif in Chinese temples, and continues to offer free Chinese medicine and consultation. Its serene ambience and intricate details made it a captivating stop on our journey. After this stop, our quest for noodles continued, and what we found next was even more amazing. As we continued our stroll through the streets of Chinatown, we arrived at the largest and most significant Chinese Buddhist temple in the city. Built in 1871, it blends Chinese and Thai architectural styles, featuring intricate dragon motifs, colorful ceramic decorations, and a striking red gate. Revered as a spiritual hub, it attracts devotees and visitors, especially during the Chinese New Year, when the temple comes alive with vibrant festivals, vegetarian food stalls, and dragon dances. Its serene courtyards and ornate altars filled with the scent of incense offered a profound and tranquil moment on our quest for noodles. As we continued roaming the bustling streets, our quest for delectable noodles led us into a vibrant market, its narrow lanes a labyrinth of sights and sounds. The shops lining the streets dazzled with vivid colors and lively displays, yet the elusive land of noodles remained just out of reach, spurring us onward in our culinary pursuit. The tantalizing aroma of spices and broth began to guide us, weaving through the labyrinth and past sizzling woks until we turned a corner and spotted a modest stall adorned with steaming pots. There at last our quest culminated as we each savored a steaming bowl of pork noodle soup, its rich broth and tender meat, a perfect reward for our journey through Chinatown's vibrant heart. Our journey ended in a tuk-tuk, maneuvering through the busy streets of Bangkok to our hotel for a long-awaited rest.